So here's Muffin, the lovely Muffin, Persian cat. And she got lovely eyes, whiskers. Oh, she's beautiful. So she's not long come out of the basket and she's quite settled. I've done her claws, no problem at all. I've just been going around her head, around her neck, just to chill her down a little bit, relax, under the chin. All the usual nice places, isn't it, Muffin? And the reason she's in today, she's going to have a full clip. So we're keeping a nice bib on and a tail on and her little booties, and the rest is coming away. She has got a few mats underneath her, which have clumped into quite big clumpies. So the clip will do it good. Plus this has grown back nicely. Last time she was in, she had a full clip, and this has grown back lovely. But Mum wants her keeping short because she's a different pussycat when she goes home. She loves the short look. Less grooming to do, isn't there, Muffin? So I'm just going to get the clippers and we'll make a start, hey, girlie? Yeah. All right then. Now, I should know what these are all about. You have a little sniff first. Which is, I recognise them. Yo, good girlie. Right, let's make a start. So I've got a natural neckline there where I'm going to start. Straight into there. And down we go. Good girlie. Got a very thick coat. Haven't you, Muffin? Yeah. Good girl. You right, Baba? Good girl. So just keeping an eye on her because she's just doing that little bit of what I call like mouth chomping, where they smack the jaws together a little bit, which is a bit of stress. So just keep an eye on her. You're okay there, baby. You've had this done before. You have. Licking at the lippies there. You alright? Hey, you alright, Bobby? Okay. You're a good girl. So here's Muffin. So she's had her clip done. You've had to keep stopping and having little breaks because she's just been getting a little bit panty, haven't you? It's quite warm in here, so the fan is on. But I mean, she's been cooperating. She's been a good girl, haven't you? Hey, you've been a good girlie. Of course, we have to keep stopping, give her a little break, and then we carry on again, don't we? Hey, you're a good girl. You are. So she's more or less done. I'm just tidying up now over the body. I've got to brush her tail out. I've just got one area around the bum I want to get to. But as I said, we've just got to give her a little break and go to other places to calm her, and then we can carry on and finish. It's just down the back of the right leg, and she's all done, aren't you? Yeah. You've been a sweetie, haven't you, girlie? You have. She says, I do enjoy my fusses, but I just don't like the back legs being done very much. Good girl. Yeah, there she is. So here she is, all completely done now. So I've managed to do that right back leg that I was talking about with the help of Steve. So we had to do a little roly-poly. She's not that fussed on being rolled over. She's fine for one side, but the other side she's not so keen on. So we've had to do it with Steve holding her up on her hind legs, which she's a bit happy with doing. And that's her all done, aren't you, sweetie pie? So here she is. She says, thank you, Antonita. Thank you. So if you like these videos, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, please do. And if you hit the little bell every time the video gets uploaded, you will get to see more of these adorable pussycats. Isn't she gorgeous?
Lovely. Bye bye.
Say bye bye, Muffin.